Hi everyone, here we've got EMPORIA Smart 3 Mini, and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So firstly we have to find and open the settings, and now let's tap on the battery. As you can see here, we've got the battery percentage option, which is right now obviously turned off because we've got only the battery icon on the status bar. So let's tap on the switcher right here, and as you can see, immediately right next to the battery icon we've got the exact percentage of the usage of the battery. Of course you can turn it off the same way just by tapping on the switcher, and right now we are left with only the battery icon, but let me turn it on. So actually that's all. This is how to show battery percentage in your EMPORIA Smart 3 Mini. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.